everybody! So today I am reviewing a natural, eco-friendly cleaning product. So New Eco sent me some of their products and I've tried them for the past week, testing them out just to see how they work and whether they actually do the job. I want to share with you what I discovered. In this time that everyone is on high alert on hygiene and cleaning, this is really relevant because it's like we all just ran to the stores and bought absolutely any hand sanitizer and cleaning product we could find. But the thing is, we need to be conscious about what we're using. What are we spraying all over our homes? Is it full of chemicals, full of toxins that is harmful towards us, towards our children, towards the earth? It's going back into our water systems. We also really need to be conscious about using natural cleaning products that are doing the job, but without the chemicals and the toxins that are also going to be harmful towards us. So it's funny because we're trying not to do harm, and yet you could still be doing harm when you are trying not to. So let's get into reviewing New Eco natural cleaning products. The first thing I love about New Eco is that it is watercourse safe. This means that it doesn't pollute our water systems. Water pollution doesn't only happen in big factories, but at home. What are we throwing down our drains, down our toilets? I just love this dishwashing liquid because it is free from all the chemicals which are always so harsh on my hands whenever I do dishes. And it smells so yummy with the citrus flavor. I almost just want to wash my dishes because it smells so good. And it did the job. My dishes were sparkly clean. This surface cleaner has the most delicious botanical extracts. It's so yummy. To dilute the surface cleaner, you can use a 1:100 ratio for light cleaning. So I wanted to have a medium cleaning kit. So I used a ratio of 1:50. So this means here I have a 500 milliliter water bottle. So I put in 10 milliliters of the surface cleaner. If you have a really grubby surface, you can also apply the surface cleaner directly onto the grub. It is so satisfying to clean and know that you're not spreading any harsh chemicals in your own environment, and it smells so good. Have I said that yet? Again, another absolutely delicious product, citrus and rosemary fragrance laundry gel. It's so yummy. Now, for a small wash, I used a 1/4 cup of the gel for my load, and this can go into any washing machine. All washing machines friendly. Again, it is watercourse safe, biodegradable, and my clothes came out with this delicious smell, and it's so clean and lovely. The bleach powder. Now, I think bleach can sound quite deceiving. It can be used for colors as well. So this will whiten your whites, and it can be used in your colors, removing stains. So the water you use must be warm for best results. So not too hot, not too cold, like above 40 degrees. You can still put your hands in there and then you soak. I'm so happy to finally have an earth-friendly green stain remover. Our friend, the hand sanitizer. So this is 73% alcohol based, which is really good ratio. And it's got spearmint and lime oil in it, which is antibacterial, and it smells so fresh and clean. So in my bathroom, I've been using the toilet cleaner and the air freshener. And I'm not a big air freshener girl, but I just have any excuse to use it. It is so delicious. The toilet cleaner is also so yummy. After I cleaned my bathroom, my mom was like, what has happened here? It was sparkly and so yummy. Everything just smelled good and all the germs are gone, and it is watercourse friendly. So this is just winning all the way.